Pete Hegseth. Oh, there ain't a finer guy than Pete Hegseth. I don't know if you heard, but he is Donald Trump's candidate to be the defense secretary. What could go wrong? Nothing. If you want to participate in a bit of running naked, or maybe thrusting your groin in your Y fronts in a colleague's face, segregating them females into the goers and the not goers. Anyway, if you want to know what's really going on, please boot the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel. That little bell icon just there, because then you get one basic thing in your pocket every time I upload another video. Well, if you want to support the channel, you can do that on Patreon or buy us a coffee. We're also planting trees, lots of trees. You want to know more about that? There is a link down below. Well, what has Pete Hegseth been up to? Well, we know what his past is like. He likes to get absolutely rat-assed. And allegedly do a bit of groping and all that. That's Pete Hegseth. And maybe the occasional bit of, a forced entry, you might want to call it. Ooh, oh, crikey, but Pete Hegseth, oh, my God. Ooh. Anyway, now Pete Hegseth, you see, he wants to privatise the VA. He wants to take away veterans' care and replace it with privatised care, health care. He also wants to separate those veterans who, were injured while doing service and give them their health care from those who were, injured on their push bike, maybe. I don't know. Or run over by a scooter. Who knows? Whatever it might be. Well, this will lead to the VA literally disappearing, and the current budget's around $300 billion, you see, for the VA. And needless to say, that it's not perfect, like most things are not, and it needs some work. Maybe it needs more money. But replacing it with a privatised health, like the rest of your privatised health, is not the answer. No. Because the costs will skyrocket. Anyone who's out there advocating for private healthcare has probably got their fingers in the cookie jar, you see. It will lead to more costs, like it usually does, because there's a profit to be made. An argument for holding on to the NHS in the United Kingdom. Even Bernie Sanders came over, he did, and spoke to Sophie Ridge of Sky News. And he said to her, fight for your NHS. You don't want a privatised system. No, it costs too much. And it does. In fact, I know of an American who came to the United Kingdom and he got himself an inhaler because he ran out. Cost him 15 quid. He said it cost him about $200 in the US for a Ventolin inhaler. You're being ripped off, that you are. Because it's big money. And that's why Pete Hegseth most probably wants to privatise the VA. And that man's going to have his finger on the button. He's going to tell the drone pilots, the gamers, where to drop those missiles. Bombs you dropped on here, or launch missiles, or whatever it might be. EMP, I don't know, whatever. You tell me. Please leave it in the comments down below. Are you excited for the concept of the veterans having their healthcare removed? Or do you feel it's a little bit, how to put it, almost definitely is unpatriotic? When these people have put their lives on the line for wars that they probably didn't even believe in. Well, there you go. Please leave it in the comments down below. But please beat the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel. And a little bell icon, because then you get one fuzz in your pocket every time I upload another video. Well, that was quite a short one for me, but there you go. It is all shorts after all. if you want to be part of a rewilding project, follow the links down below. Doodaloo, and have a lovely day. What the heck is going on over there? Blimey.